Today is Monday, Mommy's birthday. I need to tell Daddy. Daddy! Daddy!
Jenny, what happened?
Today is Mommy's birthday.
What? No.
Did you forget?
Maybe.
Dad, you forgot. Mommy's birthday.
I know.
That is not good.
I know, Jenny. I know. Okay. Does Mommy know I forgot?
Mommy is still resting.
Good, we still have time.
Time for what, Dad?
I will fix this. I will make today special for Mommy.
How?
Breakfast in bed, flowers, a gift.
All of that before Mommy wakes up?
Okay, toast, eggs, orange juice.
Dad, the eggs!
I see the eggs.
Dad, the eggs!
Oh no! They are a little dark.
They are very dark, Daddy.
Dark is crispy. Crispy is good.
Mommy doesn't like crispy eggs. Daddy, no!
What? It is a plant. It has leaves.
That is Mommy's cooking plant. You cannot take it.
Right, okay. I need a gift. Something. Maybe something nice is in here.
What are you looking for in the kitchen drawer? There are spoons, Dad.
I know I will draw a card.
A card?
A birthday card.
With words?
And a drawing.
Dad, can you draw?
Of course.
What is that?
That is Mommy and me and you.
Which one is Mommy?
This one, the tall one.
They all look the same, Dad. Daddy, she is awake.
Not ready.
What do we do?
Smile. Just smile.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Why are you both smiling like that?
Happy day.
Johnson,
Yes?
do you know what day it is today?
Linda, I forgot. I am so sorry.
He forgot, Mommy. You forgot my special day.
I know. I was wrong. I should have remembered.
Mommy, Daddy didn't forget because he doesn't love you. He forgot because he is.
Linda, I am really sorry. Really sorry. Your birthday is important. I should never forget. Jenny told me this morning. I panicked. I burned the eggs. I almost took your cooking plant.
My cooking plant?
Jenny stopped me.
What is this?
That is my birthday card for you.
Is that me?
Yes, the tall one.
We are all the same height, Johnson. You wrote a lot.
I had things to say. I wrote, "Thank you for being our family. Thank you for cooking, for cleaning, for everything. I don't say it enough, but I feel it every day."
I helped write one part, Mommy. Which part? This part. It says Mommy makes the best soup. That is true.
And I am not finished.
What do you mean?
Today is your birthday. Today you rest. Jenny and I will take care of everything.
No burning this time, Daddy.
No burning.
And no crispy eggs.
No crispy eggs.
Good.
We still need flowers.
I know where to get flowers.
Where?
From outside.
Good thinking.
These are pretty.
Perfect. Mommy will love these.
They are from our garden.
That makes them more special. Happy birthday, Linda.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
I know it is not perfect, but it is from us.
You know, the flowers are beautiful.
Really?
And the card? I will keep this forever.
Even the drawing.
Especially the drawing. Johnson, it is not about the gift. It is about the feeling behind it. Mommy, are you still sad that Dad forgot? A little, yes. But are you happy now too? Yes, I am happy now too.
I promise, I will never forget again. I put it in my phone, with an alarm. 3 alarms.
3 alarms. And I will remind you, Dad, every year.
You will?
Yes, I will wake up early and I will run to you.
Just like today.
This is the best birthday.
Even with the burned eggs.
Even with the burned eggs. And the almost stolen cooking plant. When someone loves you, they try, even when they forget. Even when the eggs are burned, and even when Daddy draws